Don't try this at home. Hey, what's up guys, Abhishek here from AV Studio, and in today's video we are going to show you a stunted barbell surgery. Yeah, so you must be wondering why jump straight from the drop eye to stunted barbell. What about some of the other more common surgeries that are done? Well, stay tuned till the end of the video and I'll tell you why we jump straight to barbell and why we didn't do some of the other common ones. Alright, so before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you don't miss out on all the future videos that are coming on this channel. Also, at the end of the video, I am going to tell you the winner of the contest which was being run by Abhishek Bhalerao and who won that Stress Heal bottle. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Also, I'd like to tell you that it's amazing to see Aropedia grow so swiftly. We are almost touching 3,000 members, and this is just in 1.5 months, not even 1.5 months, like really. So I think it's the fastest growing Arowana group on Facebook, and I'm really happy with the kind of love and support all the members and every Arowana lover is giving to Aropedia. Please continue giving your love and you can win a hell of a lot of prizes in Aropedia that nobody else can give you. And that's the quality of stuff that we give you. And to start off with, we have the merchandise contest running, and a lot of you have put the Aropedia banner on your cover photo. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead and do this. There's still some time and you could win those beautiful merchandise from Aropedia. Okay, so without much ado, let's just get started with the surgery video. So as usual, I'm going to play the surgery, and it's Cody all the way this time. He's really been so kind to let me use his videos, and I'm going to talk through in the background. So just to give you a quick perspective, Cody is going to be doing a surgery on a particular fish, an arowana, which has lost both its barbels. And as per Cody, one of the reasons why this happens is because the aquarium setup, it kind of hits the glass. So because the glass, it could just fall off, and then because of water quality, they tend not to grow back. Hence, a surgery needs to be done. So let's go ahead and watch the surgery. I have already told you the ways to anesthetize an arowana in the first episode. I'm leaving a link here so that you can go and watch that part so you know how to really anesthetize an arowana before the surgery. So here we're not going to repeat that. We're going to go straight into the surgery. So let's watch the surgery. So as you can see, that this is a fish which has a stunted barbel, or rather there is literally almost no barbel in there, and this is one of the reasons why this happens is because of our glass tank aquariums, and you know, it could hit itself and the barbel could drop off, and one of the reasons why they don't grow back is because of bad water quality. So Cody is going to do a surgery today which will ensure that the barbels grow back. So let's watch on to see what he does next. So he's going to use a needle for this cosmetic surgery. Now this needle is basically used because there is absolutely no barbel and the roots can be seen. Hence he will use a needle. On other occasions where part of the barbel has dropped off and there's still some part there on the fish, in such situations Cody would use a scissor. So now as you can see, he's showing the root of the barbel. He's showing both the left and the right roots of the barbel, and you have to be very careful that you should be able to locate both of them. Now the idea is to activate those cells which help in the barbel growth. So what Cody is doing now is he's poking into the root to activate those cells, and in Cody's words, you should not be showing any mercy and you should be poking really well, because that is how you need the barbels to grow back, because this is how the activation of the cells from where the barbels grow back is done. So he's done with one side of it. Now he's doing the other root. Now it is very important that you do the poking with the needle exactly where the root is. If you do it anywhere else, you might end up with an arowana with more than 2 barbels. Of course, it's now you understand that having more than 2 barbels is not really some rare commodity. It is basically because somebody has made a mistake during this cosmetic surgery, and as a result of which more barbels have grown. Now I'm not saying that's exactly what has to happen, but in all likelihood that could happen. So here Cody is again trying to activate or resuscitate the barbel cells right at the root by poking in there. So he will continue doing that till he is satisfied that enough has been done so that the cells have been activated. So as he slowly completes the poking, once he's done, then the next step would be to actually squeeze the jawline so that the place where, or rather the root at which the poking was done, actually bleeds. Well, it might sound a bit merciless, but that's the real way how to do it. You squeeze it like how Cody is doing it now to ensure that it bleeds. If it bleeds, then you've done it the right way. If it doesn't, then you probably have to go back to poking the barbel roots once again with the needle. So once you've done that, then over a period of time with good water quality, the barbels would definitely grow back. Well, that was really skillful by Cody. Cody, fantastic work done, and we really learned a lot by looking at this surgery. That's fantastic. So that's pretty much what the second surgery was all about. I'd like to quickly go ahead and announce the winner for the contest for Stressil, which Abhishek Bhalerao is running, and her name is Rohini Ginello. And she says, the fish so calm, love to see it as it smoothly glides from one end to the other. The blue is quite prominent, defined by the gold at the end. Many congratulations. Well, many congratulations to you as well, Rohini, because you will receive your Stressil shortly. So I would request you to kindly get in touch with me on my Facebook, which is Abhishek Dasgupta, and I will tell you exactly how we can send you across the Stressil. So congratulations once again. Okay, so couple of things that I want to mention before we close the video. One, as you know, a huge contest is coming up on Aropedia. You could win a beautiful albino silver arowana, and the rules of the same will be posted in Aropedia. If you haven't already joined Aropedia yet, then please go ahead and join so you can win this beautiful arowana. And I'm going to leave a link in the description section for you to click and go and take part in the contest. Well, that was another contest that's coming up. The contests just keep coming in Aropedia. I get confused sometimes which contest is what and what are we giving away as prizes. But that's the fun of being an Aropedian. So are you an Aropedian? If you're not, then go ahead and join Aropedia now. Okay, now I was telling you right in the beginning of the video that why did I jump from drop eye surgery to barbell surgery. That's because we want to do the more common ones a little later. We will do it as part of the series. However, what I want to tell you is I am trying to do something extraordinarily interesting next week. That is in the next week's video. I cannot promise you now because I'm still figuring out the logistics, but I will really try my best to bring that to you. And if I can, if I think the logistics are working and everything's going on well, then I will announce the same, that I am able to bring the video in Aropedia sometime midweek. So So again, another reason for you to join Aropedia. So go join Aropedia and stay tuned, because I will make the announcement whether I can bring you that very, very interesting video next week. Okay, I'm trying, and you're going to really love the video. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today's video. So if you've loved this video, then please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell icon. And that's about it in today's video, and thank you so much for watching till I come back with the next episode of the surgery series. Peace.